Hi, I'm Nancy Plants. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for choosing this video out of the many billions of videos here on YouTube. And if you haven't already, I'd love if you subscribed. This week, I'm going to be sharing with you a week of vegan dinners, meal ideas. I hope you enjoy. To start out the week, I pulled some homemade lentil burgers from my freezer. I made a big pile of French fries. I saved some for later, made a few extra veggie burgers for lunches, and I have this bread that I also pulled from my freezer, some onions, wild lettuce, jalapeno, vegan mayo, and barbecue sauce with ketchup, of course. On Monday, I made this stir fry with black rice, edamame, bok choy, mung bean sprouts, peas, braised bean curd, and some fresh basil from my garden, and I topped it off with some chili sauce. I made sure to make a little extra so I could have it for lunch the next day. It was pretty good. On Tuesday, I worked late and I knew I'd be tired, so I planned ahead by pulling some homemade pea soup from my freezer, and I also pulled more of my homemade bread from the freezer. I thawed it in the microwave and used that to make a grilled cheese with this vegan cheese and some margarine. And with that, I had a little salad with wild lettuce, radishes, and radish greens. This was a pretty good dinner, pretty satisfying, and it didn't take very long to make at all. On Wednesday, I made a simple rotini with a homemade marinara and topped it off with some tofu ricotta and nut parmesan. I had a wild lettuce and kale salad on the side. And my son was with me this night, so this is his portion. It was really tasty. Thursday was another late night, so I made a simple dinner with some quesadillas on corn tortillas. And I used the vegan shreds and tofu ricotta on the inside. I'm having that with some salsa, avocado, wild lettuce, and hot sauce, of course. Remember the fries from Sunday? Well, I had set aside a few before they got really brown, and now I'm heating them in the oven with some vegan mozzarella. I'm topping them with some homemade onion gravy, and we're having barbecue soy curls and coleslaw with ketchup, of course. And I had a little beer because it's Friday. I garnished this with some parsley, and I was so fancy I even garnished the beer a bit. This was a nice casual meal, and we actually enjoyed this outside because the weather was beautiful. After dinner, I made some banana and ice cream, and I had also purchased these waffle bowls, and I made some homemade magic shell to go on top. On Saturday, we had kind of a light dinner, and I made some seitan cutlets, and we had some more of that coleslaw, and I had also made an orzo salad with edamame and white beans. And to go on top of the seitan cutlets, I'm using steak sauce. Did you know steak sauce is vegan? Because it is. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe. Any interaction with this channel is very helpful for the algorithm, and I appreciate you. Have a great day.